First up is the Greenlee Micro Crimping Tool, a lightweight beast that's all about speed and comfort. Weighing under 2.2 pounds with an ergonomic, over-molded grip, it's designed to crimp cables 65% faster than traditional ratchet crimpers. Its 13.8-meter jaw and patented PowerSense (TM) trigger tech make every crimp precise, while the built-in LED light ensures you never miss a detail, even in dim spaces. This cordless kit comes with a battery, charger, and case, perfect for electricians on the go. It delivers 1.5 tons of crimping force with 90% less effort, turning a tedious task into a breeze. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to pro-level results. This little tool is a big deal, and it's just the start of our journey. Next, let's switch gears to the Aqua Joe FiberJacket hose, a watering wonder that's tough yet flexible. This 50-foot, 5/8-inch hose is wrapped in a rugged fiber jacket that resists kinks, punctures, and abrasions, making it a champ for any yard. It's lightweight and coils up easily, so you're not wrestling with a tangled mess after every use. Built to handle high water pressure, it's perfect for everything from gardening to washing your car. The secret? A hybrid polymer core that keeps it durable without the bulk. No more cracked, leaky hoses. This one's designed to last. It's the kind of tool that makes outdoor chores feel like less of a chore, and we're just getting warmed up. Now, let's talk precision with the Mercury True RMS Digital Multimeter, a must-have for anyone tinkering with electronics. This bad boy measures voltage, current, and resistance with true RMS accuracy, cutting through electrical noise for spot-on readings. Its clear, backlit display makes it easy to use in low-light conditions, and it's packed with features like continuity testing and data hold. Compact yet rugged, it's built to withstand the chaos of a workbench. Whether you're troubleshooting a circuit or testing a battery, this tool's got your back. It's like having a mini lab in your pocket, perfect for D'ers and pros alike. Up next, we're tightening things up with a clever little bit. Say hello to the Bosch double-ended screwdriver bit, a two-in-one wonder that's all about versatility. With a different drive style on each end, like Phillips and slotted, this bit doubles your options without cluttering your toolbox. Made from high-quality S2 steel, it's tough enough to handle high-torque jobs without stripping or snapping. The precision-machined tips ensure a snug fit, reducing cam-out and saving your screws. It's compatible with any standard driver, making it a go-to for quick swaps on the fly. Compact, durable, and brilliantly simple, it's a small tool with big impact. From here, we're drilling into some serious power. Ready for heavy duty. The Dewalt PowerShift Core Drill Stand Kit is a beast for concrete and masonry work. This 6.38-inch core drill pairs with a sturdy stand for stability, letting you bore precise holes with ease. Its PowerShift TM tech adjusts power and speed on the fly, tackling tough materials without breaking a sweat. Cordless and battery-powered, it's portable for job sites big and small. The kit includes everything you need to get started, built with Dewalt's signature durability. It's perfect for pros who need clean, deep cuts without the hassle. This drill's a game changer, and we're lighting things up next. Let's shine a spotlight on the Ryobi PCL691B TRIPOWER tripod LED light, a bright idea for any workspace. This cordless beauty pumps out up to 2,700 lumens, adjustable across 3 pivoting heads to light up every angle. Its tripod folds out for stability or collapses for easy carry, making it super portable. Powered by Ryobi's 18-volt battery system, it runs for hours without cords slowing you down. Whether you're working late on a site or camping under the stars, this light's got you covered. With durable construction and a sleek design, it's as tough as it is practical. We're locking in more innovation next. Time to speed things up with the Hilti Fast-Lock, a genius modular tool system for pros. This clever adapter lets you swap out tool heads in seconds. No wrenches needed. Just click and go. Designed for Hilti's multi-tools, it's perfect for cutting, grinding, or drilling with one base unit. Its secure locking mechanism ensures zero slippage, even under heavy loads. Built tough for construction chaos, it saves time and toolbox space. Imagine switching from a saw to a sander faster than you can say done. That's the Fast-Lock magic. It's all about efficiency, and we're smoothing things out next. Pipe prep just got easier with the Gohelper 2-in-1 inner-outer PVC deburring tool, a plumber's dream. This dual-purpose gadget smooths both the inside and outside edges of PVC pipes in one go, saving you time and elbow grease. Its sharp, durable blades cut through burrs like butter, leaving clean edges for leak-free fittings. Compact and handheld, it's perfect for tight spaces or quick fixes. Made to last, it handles pipes of various sizes with ease. No more jagged edges ruining your seals. This tool's a small but mighty MVP. Up next, we're lifting things to new heights. Ever wanted to lift glass like it's nothing? The Ardwolf AVGLP4 400 vacuum glass lifter makes it happen. This beast uses powerful suction to hoist up to 400 kilon of glass or smooth surfaces, keeping your hands free and safe. Its 4 adjustable pads grip tight, even on curved or textured panels. Battery-powered and portable, it's a game-changer for glaziers and installers. The ergonomic design reduces strain, while the vacuum gauge keeps you in control. Precision and power in one sleek package. It's like a superhero for your shop. We're driving into impact next. Let's crank up the torque with the Worx WX265 impact driver, a compact powerhouse for tough fastening jobs. This 20-volt cordless driver delivers high-speed impacts to sink screws into wood, metal, or masonry with ease. Its lightweight body and rubber grip keep you comfy during long sessions, while the LED light brightens dark corners. With variable speed control, it's precise yet forceful, perfect for DIY or pro builds. The quick change chuck swaps bits in a flash, keeping your workflow smooth. Battery life? Solid, thanks to Worx's PowerShare system. This driver's a knockout, and we're sanding things down next. Sanding just got slick with the AGP SB9 brushless drywall sander, a dust-busting marvel. This lightweight cordless tool uses a brushless motor for longer life and smoother power, tackling drywall with finesse. Its adjustable speed and extendable arm reach high walls or ceilings without a ladder. The built-in vacuum hookup keeps your space clean, sparing your lungs from the mess. With a pivoting head, it contours to any surface for a flawless finish. Pros love its efficiency, and DIYers dig its ease. It's a must for Reno warriors. Next, we're turning up the torque. Toolbox royalty alert. The Felo Argo XL box socket set is here to rule your repairs. This kit packs a range of precision sockets in a tough, organized case, perfect for mechanics or hobbyists. Made from high-grade steel, these sockets grip nuts and bolts without slipping. Even under serious torque, the ergonomic ratchet handle feels great and shifts gears smoothly for fast work. It's compact yet comprehensive, covering all your metric and imperial needs. Durability meets design in this German-made set. We're cutting holes with flare next. Need a perfect circle? The F4P adjustable hole cutter kit delivers every time. This clever tool adjusts to cut holes from 1 to 8 inches in drywall, wood, or thin metal with ease. Its dual blade design ensures clean, precise edges. No jagged messes here. Attach it to your drill, set the size, and watch it slice like a pro. The kit's built tough yet lightweight, ideal for electricians or crafters. Dust shield included, so your workspace stays tidy. It's simplicity and accuracy in one. Next, we're scaling things up. Rust and paint don't stand a chance against the Hazet Mini Needle Scaler, a compact cleanup king. This handheld pneumatic tool blasts away corrosion with 19 high-speed needles, perfect for tight spots. Weighing just over a pound, it's easy to maneuver yet packs a punch at 3,000 blows per minute. Its durable steel build handles tough jobs, from auto restoration to metal prep. The adjustable needle cover fine-tunes your attack, saving surfaces you want to keep. Pros swear by its precision and power in small packages. We're sanding smarter next. The folding radial drywall sander is your ticket to effortless wall prep. This extendable tool folds down for storage but reaches up to 9 feet for high ceilings. No ladder needed. Its round sanding head spins to smooth drywall fast with adjustable speed for total control. Hook it to a vacuum and dust becomes a distant memory. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's a backsaver for big projects. Perfect for pros or weekend warriors chasing that flawless finish. It's a foldable wonder. Next, we're scrubbing floors clean. The Global Industrial Corded Electric Floor Scrubber cleans a 17-inch path. Scrubs and polishes hard floors in one go. Corded power means no battery downtime. Just plug in. Adjustable handles and tanks make it easy to use. Dual brushes tackle grime with force. Built rugged for warehouses or homes, it leaves floors spotless fast. A scrubbing powerhouse. The Marvel MSH65 rod and wire cutters slice metal clean. Cuts rods and wires up to 6.5 millimeters. Hardened steel blades stay sharp for heavy use. Ergonomic handles cut hand strain on long jobs. Safety lock keeps them secure when stored. Compact size fits any kit. Perfect for construction or crafting. It's a snipping star. The Tolsen tool. Lanyard keeps gear safe at heights. Holds tools up to 10 pounds with a strong clip. Stretchy coil extends and snaps back easily. Reinforced stitching handles rugged sights. Lightweight and adjustable for all-day comfort. Clips to belts or harnesses fast. No more dropped hammers or drills. It's a safety must-have. The Total Cutoff. Saw runs on 240 volts at 2350 watts. Its 14-inch blade slices metal or stone smoothly. Sturdy base and guard keep cuts safe and straight. Soft start motor reduces kickback for ease. Built for heavy-duty contractor work. Dust and sparks can't stop its rugged design. Power meets precision here. It's a cutting beast. The DCK 20-volt electric rotary. Hammer drill smashes concrete fast. Cordless with a brushless motor for long life. Hammers and drills with SDS Plus bit swaps. Lightweight for overhead or tight spots. Variable speed and depth gauge nail accuracy. Battery power means no cords to trip over. Perfect for masonry mastery. It's a demolition dream. The DCA brushless angle grinder cuts cord-free with style. Its brushless motor runs cool and slices metal or tile. Uses a 412-inch disc for big jobs. Lightweight and balanced for one-hand use. Adjustable guard and handle keep it safe. Variable speed dials in every cut. Battery-powered for job site freedom. It's a grinding gem. The Worksite 220-volt marble cutter. Saw runs at 1400 watts. Slices marble, tile, and stone with a diamond blade. Handheld design with an ergonomic grip for control. Water cooling cuts dust and heat fast. Compact yet mighty for pro tiling. Steady power from 220 volts shines. Precision in every pass here. It's a stone cutting king. The AstroAI tire. Inflator air compressor pumps tires quick. This 12-volt unit inflates cars or bikes in minutes. Digital LED screen shows pressure with auto shutoff. Compact for your trunk with handy adapters. Built-in light helps at night on the road. Fast and reliable for emergencies. Keeps you rolling smoothly. It's a tire-saving star. The Tajima clip and hold. Horizontal belt. Clamping system keeps tools close. Clips drills or tape measures to your hip. Quick release swaps gear in a flash. Rugged build. Handles heavy loads daily. Adjustable for comfort on any belt. Perfect for contractors juggling tasks. No more fumbling around. It's a hands-free helper. The Scorpio battery. Welding tractor welds cord-free. Rolls along for perfect beads on flat or curved metal. Programmable speed and angle for precision. Compact and portable for remote sites. Battery lasts hours on tough jobs. Rugged frame shrugs off harsh conditions. No cords, just pure power. It's a welding wonder. The DUSS LB wood hole saw cuts clean wood holes. Bores up to 6 inches with smooth edges. Durable steel teeth tackle hardwoods or softwoods. Fits drills for steady, sharp cuts. German-made for long-lasting quality. Great for furniture or framing work. Precision circles every time. It's a carpenter's classic. The Veritex cordless jointing machine. ABB 311 joins wood tight. Battery-powered for biscuit slots without clamps. Adjustable fence and depth for perfect angles. Lightweight for on-site or shop use. Dust bag keeps your space clean. Ergonomic grip saves hand strain. Spanish design shines bright. It's a jointing jewel. The lift and drive. Mobile lift trolley lifts 265 pounds easy. Battery powered with a roller bed for smooth loading. Adjustable height and wheels for maneuvering. Built tough for warehouses or workshops. Slides heavy stuff with zero strain. Portable for daily tasks anywhere. Saves your back every time. It's a lifting legend. The Worx Nitro 20-volt switch driver 2.0 swaps bits fast. Rotating head holds 2 bits. No chuck needed. Drills or drives with variable speed control. Lightweight and grippy for long jobs. LED light brightens dark spots well. PowerShare battery keeps it strong. Cordless fun for any task. It's a multitasking marvel. The Hellerman Titan Ratchet P cable clamp organizes wires. Adjustable ratchet locks cables tight, no tools. Tough nylon resists heat and wear long-term. P-shape mounts to walls or panels easy. Great for cars, homes, or industrial use. Quick install keeps chaos tidy. Simple and strong design. It's a wiring win. The Milwaukee M18 brushless stick. Transfer pump moves water fast. Pumps 4 to 80 gallons per hour with M18 power. Brushless motor runs quiet and cool. Submersible with a 3-4-inch outlet for flow. Lightweight for floods or tank fills. Long runtime and flexible hose rule. Cordless pumping at its best. It's a water warrior. The Wuko clipper cuts metal curves like a pro. Slices sheets up to 1 millimeter thick smoothly. Precision blades follow bends without snags. Handheld and manual for total control. Austrian-made toughness lasts forever. Lightweight for roofing or ductwork. Quiet and portable power. It's a metal cutting master. The Marvel MZR34 Full Thread. Rod wrench twists rods tight. Grips threaded rods up to 34 millimeters firm. Hardened steel jaws hold without slipping. Lightweight for tight spot repairs. Ergonomic design eases hand strain. Built for construction or fixes. Simple precision in action. It's a rod-ready rockstar. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.